Hey guys, this is Pinay How To, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your MacBook Air M1 to your Apple Airpods earphone. First, we need to enable Bluetooth connection for both devices. So let's start with the Mac. So click on the icon setting right here, click on the Bluetooth, turn it on, and click Bluetooth Preferences. And this is the Bluetooth window. And now, I'm going to put these AirPods into discoverable mode. You do that by pressing and holding this button at the back of your AirPods. But before that, let me show you the light inside the AirPods. So it's green and it could be amber as well, and that's dependent of how much charge your AirPod has. So making these AirPods discoverable, just press and hold the button at the back. And if you look at the light, it's flashing white. This means it's discoverable. Now, let's have our attention back to the Mac, and as you can see, it detected the Apple AirPods. So just click on the connect, and it now says connected. So there you go. Now you can stream music directly from your Mac across to your Apple AirPods. You can also update some configurations here and rename your Apple AirPods to your Mac. So that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching!